SEO and GEO share a lot of fundamentals, but they aim at different targets, and that changes how you optimize. SEO asks one question: how do I rank higher in search results? GEO asks a different one: how do I get cited in AI responses? Ranking and citation are different outcomes, and they require different optimizations. A page can rank number 1 on Google and still never get quoted by ChatGPT or Perplexity because AI systems pick sources in their own way. In this lesson, we walk through 7 key differences between optimizing for search engines and optimizing for AI systems, from how you write your content to how you measure success. By the end, you will know exactly where your SEO habits carry over and where they need to change. The first difference is content granularity. SEO rewards comprehensive long-form content that covers a topic exhaustively and answers many related questions on one page. GEO rewards specific, extractable statements. That is because AI systems extract passages, not whole pages. Your big guide might rank well, but only the most citable sentences get pulled into an AI response, so the quality of each individual fact matters more than sheer quantity, and every claim should be able to stand alone. Compare 2 sentences. The average B2B sales cycle in 2024 is 84 days, according to Salesforce research, versus sales cycles can vary a lot depending on various factors. The first is snippet-worthy, a precise number with a named source. The second gives an AI nothing concrete to cite. Write more sentences like the first one. Difference 2 is keywords versus concepts. Classic SEO targets specific keywords. You place them in titles, headers, and body text, track their rankings, and optimize for variations. GEO works differently because AI systems understand meaning, not just keywords. They reformulate queries and match concepts semantically. So instead of stuffing a page with phrases like Best CRM Software 2024, Best CRM for Small Business, Top CRM Tools, you write naturally. When choosing CRM software for a small business, prioritize ease of use, integration capabilities, and total cost of ownership. That sentence answers the underlying question in plain language, and that is what gets extracted. For GEO, focus on covering concepts completely, answering questions the way a person would ask them, and addressing the intent behind the query rather than exact keyword matches. Difference 3 is how you define success. In SEO, success looks like a high click-through rate, low bounce rate, engagement on the page, and conversions. In GEO, success is being cited in AI responses, your source link included, your content represented accurately, and ideally users clicking through from the citation. Here is the uncomfortable part. With AI answers, users may never visit your page at all. The win is being named as a trusted source, whether or not a click follows. So optimize for value even without the visit. Make sure that when an AI cites you, your brand gets mentioned, your expertise comes through in the quoted material, and the citation reflects what you actually said. Being the source others hear about is worth something on its own. Differences 4 and 5 cover competition and freshness. SEO competition is zero-sum. There are 10 organic positions, and the top ones take most of the traffic. GEO is often not zero-sum because AI responses cite multiple sources for one answer. You can be cited alongside competitors, each for different strengths. So find your unique angle or data point, provide information others do not have, and be the best source for specific claims instead of replicating what everyone else says. Freshness works differently too. In SEO, publication dates and regular updates help rankings. With AI, some systems have training data cutoffs, while others retrieve in real time, so you need to optimize for both. Date your time-sensitive claims, update statistics regularly, And remember that outdated facts actively harm your credibility, because accuracy matters more than freshness alone. The last two differences are authority and user experience. SEO measures authority mostly through backlinks, domain authority scores, brand search volume, and historical trust. AI systems still care about backlinks since they influence the search rankings that feed retrieval, but they also evaluate authority through content analysis, source credibility patterns, citation by other authoritative sources, author expertise signals, and your track record of factual accuracy. Errors compound negatively, so display author credentials, cite good sources, and keep your facts right. Then there is experience. SEO optimizes page speed, mobile usability, and core web vitals. But AI systems do not experience your site like a user, they parse it for extraction. So optimize for machine parsing, structured data with schema.org, a clear heading hierarchy, explicit definitions, and tables and lists for structured information. Despite all these differences, SEO and GEO are converging. Google's AI overviews are built on search index data. AI systems increasingly value user experience signals, and quality content wins in both paradigms. Trust and authority matter everywhere, so the future points toward a unified approach. Quick recap. GEO favors specific, extractable statements over comprehensive pages. Concepts beat keywords. Success means citations, not just rankings and clicks. AI can cite multiple sources, so competition is not always zero-sum. Authority comes from credibility signals, not just backlinks. And you optimize for machine parsing, not just page experience. Want to practice this? Open this lesson on freeacademy.ai and try the interactive prompt playground right on the page, or take one of your own paragraphs and ask ChatGPT or Claude to rewrite it as a snippet-worthy, citable statement. In the next lesson, we build a unified strategy that serves both channels.